Hi, today we're going to talk about QR codes. I was giving a talk and somebody asked the question how to put a QR code into one of your documents. Now, a QR code, which I'm sure you all know, is basically a way of putting a web link onto something physical so that somebody can take a photo of it and go to that website. Let's pretend we're just designing a poster or something, which we're going to print out. So what we do is we go to Apps, type in QR, and you get QR code generator. Now this one, which is the basic one that just says QR code, that is Canva's own one, so you don't have to log into anything else. These make cool and funky things with little images in the middle, and they're very exciting, but you have to sign up for them separately. Some of them charge, some of them don't. I'm going to use the very plain vanilla one that Canva has made. Right, let's enter the URL. I'm going to use the URL for Fiction Tutors, which is a tutoring business that I have, which I run with two other friends of mine, and it includes Debut Author Club. Right, now if you leave your background colors the same, you will get a plain black and white QR code. Let's just do one that's plain. Okay, there you have it. Somebody would scan this and it would take them to fictiontutors.co.uk. If you wanted to have it in your brand colors, now how do I find out my brand colors? One way you could do this is to paste your logo in here, and then it would help you pick out the brand colors. I happen to know what the hex code is for my brand color. Is that teal? Is that color? A hex code, every color has a 6-letter code, hex, and you can use that to pick out your color code. So you put your brand color in, and your background is whatever color background you want, and you can get a hex code in the color that you want so that it can sit better with your design. I quite like having it in black and white because it's very high contrast, and yes, it's more obvious on your design, but that's a good thing so that people and cameras can see it more easily. That's all there is to it. Like I say, you can have more funky and exciting QR codes using the different apps. There's round ones, there's pretty colored ones. I don't even know what that one does. Let's have a look. Oh, you can put a little thingy in the middle, your own logo. Okay. Anyway, that's how you put a QR code into any document you're making. Use cases wise, I put QR codes on bookmarks, business cards, and if I am doing a table where I'm selling books, I will often have a poster with the link to Amazon on it so that if people don't want to carry a book around, they can just buy the ebook instead. I hope you found that useful. If it is, please tell all your friends. And if you want to come and ask more questions or talk to other authors about how to use Canva, come join the free Facebook group, Canva for Authors. The link is in the description. Thank you for your time.